For a fun twist on your usual bind-off, try this variation of the standard chain bind-off, worked in 2 alternating colors. I'm demonstrating here with a swatch knitted in 2-color brioche, but it also makes a pretty decorative edge on a colorwork or mosaic stitch piece. You'll knit your first stitch with color 1, then purl your next stitch with color 2. While binding off, the first color always stays in the back. Color 2 moves to the front to work purl stitches, then is stranded along the back while working knit stitches in color 1. Lift the first stitch over the second stitch and off the right needle. Now, because this is brioche, for the next stitch, brioche knit your next stitch with color 1. Lift the first stitch over the second stitch and off the right needle. Repeat until all your stitches are bound off. Be sure to keep it loose. Because you're stranding every other stitch, there is a tendency for this bind-off to become tight, which will constrict the edge of the piece. Isn't that an attractive edging for 2-color brioche? Give it a try and let us know how you liked this 2-color bind-off in the comments.